Selling on Etsy involves creating a successful online store for handmade, vintage, or unique items. Here's a concise guide. Create a shop. Sign up for an Etsy account, provide a shop name, and complete your shop settings. Product listings. Write compelling descriptions, use high-quality images, and set competitive prices for your items. Product categories and tags. Categorize your items accurately and use relevant tags to improve search visibility. Shop branding. Design a professional shop banner, logo, and profile picture that reflect your brand's identity. Shipping and policies. Set clear shipping rates, processing times, and refund policies to manage customer expectations. Photography. Use well-lit and high-resolution photos that showcase your items from different angles. Keyword optimization. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your product titles and descriptions. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service, respond to inquiries promptly, and resolve issues professionally. Promotions. Offer discounts, free shipping, or bundle deals to attract more customers. Etsy ads. Utilize Etsy's advertising platform to promote your listings and increase visibility. Social media. Share your Etsy shop and products on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Engage with buyers. Encourage reviews, respond to customer feedback, and show appreciation for purchases. Analytics. Monitor shop analytics to track performance, identify trends, and refine your strategy. Constant improvement. Continuously update your shop, add new products, and adapt to changing market trends. Stay unique. Emphasize what makes your products special and differentiate your shop from others.